Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It is your girl, your favorite DIYer, Chanelle Novosey. I'm going to be showing you how to make a fake Chanel designer box to go under your Christmas tree. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to be taking a free post office box that I got. I also am going to be using some white wrapping paper. I got this from Michael's. It is the Celebrate It brand. So the first hack to wrapping properly is I'm going to take my box, I'm going to flip it upside down and place it inside of my wrapping paper. That way you'll start at the bottom and you can have a smooth top. So then I'll take my wrapping paper and I'll fold it over the box. And I want it to meet in the middle of the gift box like so, okay? Then I'm gonna take some scotch tape and I'm gonna tape it down. Next, I'm gonna just eyeball about how much I think I need to cover up the other flap. You can always fold it over like that and then cut it. But I'm just gonna eyeball it and I'm gonna cut about here. So then you'll pull the box gently on the other side to make sure that it's tight. And then you'll fold over your next sheet. So then just pull the wrapping paper really snug and you're gonna tape it down. So for the opening, what you're gonna do is you're going to place these two flaps together and press them down. And then you're gonna just make the indentation here while pressing this part down. So once you have your box to look like this, you're going to fold this leftover flap right here in the inside so that you can't see it. So here's what this side will look like. You're going to go ahead and tape it down. So that's what this end will look like. You're going to repeat the same method on this side. So next, you're going to take some black silk ribbon. I got this from Walmart, but you can find it at Michael's as well. And I'll have the dimensions in the description box. I'm going to wrap this around my box. So then I took my ribbon and I placed it right in the middle of my box. I'm going to tie it down and make a bow. So I'm going to tie it into a knot first. Then I'm going to tie it into a bow. So here's what the bow will look like. I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess. Next, you'll take some stickers. I got these from Hobby Lobby and I'll place them on the side of the box to say Chanel. So I'm just going to take a scissors and cut out the letters that I need. So then I'll take my letters and I'll place them in this position on my box. And here's what it will look like. Really nice. I love it. You can dress it up as much as you want to. I like to keep it kind of simple yet cute. So I'm going to show you how to make another box using silver glitter wrapping paper. Let's do that. Okay, love. So for the next box, I'm going to be using a 12 by 12 by 6 box, again from the post office. And I got some silver wrapping paper. I got this from Joann's for about $5. Also, I have a big old silver bow that I got from Michael's. They were 2 for $5. So it's going to be the same exact process. You're going to open up your wrapping paper, flip your box upside down, meet it in the middle here. You're going to add some scotch tape right to the center. Make sure it's aligned. And we're going to press that box gently across the side. Again, you can bring it up and measure it if you want to see where you can cut it. That will be in the middle. And then take your finger and just kind of hold it there. You'll know that's where I'm going to be cutting at. Let me get my scissors so I can do that. Take my scissors, cut off the rest. I just love that. I just love that. I just love that. You know, like, when it just does that, when you just go, you know? But it all works out. Alright, so fold it back over. Ooh, this is so pretty. It is shining up in here, okay? So I'm gonna press again to make sure everything is flat, okay? So add some tape to the center as well. Again, make sure it's all nice and snug. Same process, fold your flaps in. This one isn't so chunky. That other one was like really thick. It was hard to like fold it properly. So always tuck this side in first. Okay, so fold your sides and then bend it in and make sure that your corners are nice and tucked. Fold the sides in, and then you can always bring your flap right here on top, okay? Take some tape to secure it down. So repeat the same steps on the other side. So next you'll take some more of your black silk ribbon. It is a 7 1/8 inch. And I'm gonna wrap this on my gift. I'm gonna put the Chanel logo on the top. I hope it turns out right. Let's go ahead and do it. So I placed my ribbon at the bottom and I'm gonna put the ribbon on the side and then on this side here, okay? So I'm just gonna measure across. So I just measured across to about here and I'm going to cut it and then tape it down. And then I'll just pull it tight and I'll tape it down. So that is what the first strip of the ribbon will look like. I'm gonna add another strip on the other side. So I flipped over just to make sure it's in the right area and I love the position of it. I like that a whole lot. That's what I'm going for. I do want to add this bow on the top, but first let's go ahead and add our Chanel logo. So after I went ahead and I placed my Chanel logo in the desired location, I'm going to peel off the adhesive backing and place it on the gift box. So next I'll go ahead and add my bow to my beautiful box. I'm not going to put it in this corner because I don't want it to take away from all of this. I'm going to actually put it in this corner here. So here's what it will look like afterwards, you guys. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to put this under my Christmas tree. Let me show you how to wrap an actual gift box, making it into a Chanel gift box, alright? So I'm going to be using these gift boxes I did get from the Dollar Tree. Just gonna open them up and assemble it and tape the sides together. This one I'm gonna do in silver, okay? I really like this silver paper. So just follow the same steps. I'm gonna do this one in silver. Gonna do the same thing as I did with the other gift box, is use the black satin ribbon and flip it over and do all that jazz. Alrighty, next I'm gonna place down my letters, okay? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? I hope so, okay? I hope you guys can see this. I know it's reflecting, but that's what it looks like. This is so stinking pretty. I love it. Let's go ahead and add a bow. I'm gonna use ribbon to make a bow. I don't want to add a silver one on here. I feel like the black bow will make it pop more. So I'm gonna take quite a bit of my black ribbon, give it a cut, and just tie a bow the regular way. So lastly, I'll take a glue dot and add it to the ribbon and then add that to the gift. So here's what the final one will look like. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I'm going to go ahead, grab all of them, and show you what they look like all together. So that completes today's DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was so much fun to make. I'll have everything listed in the description box. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your views, all of your subscriptions, all of your likes, your comments. I love you guys so much. I'll be back really soon with another DIY. Have a blessed day and stay tuned for that. Bye.